788, let's fucking go. In MIPTile functions, within our MIPTile helper function that creates all of the MIP maps for a certain master memory cell designated by mmx, mmy, we are going to review the last bits of code. So if we go down here, we have this tile mag section. The tile magnitude for MIP map level 0 is always a constant value, and this tile magnitude is the current tile magnitude for whatever MIP map level 1 to 8 inclusive that we're on. We're going to take the lateral span in pixels of whatever layer of tiles we're on, which is going to vary depending on MIP map level, and we're going to divide by the number of tiles per axis, which is also per axis and per layer. We're going to divide by this and get the magnitude of the low resolution tile that we want to create MIP maps for. Then we need to get the inclusive selection area for the source full resolution graphic, the inclusive selection area for the dest graphic. So we take the global group origin, and then we multiply the x and y by the magnitude of the full res, and then we tack on the tile magnitude minus 1 to get the end of the selection. So the beginnings of the selection are here, the ends of the selections are here, and this is an inclusive selection for the full res. The inclusive selection for the low res tile group origin, the x and y multiplied by the magnitude of the lower resolution tile, and then if we want to get the end of the selection, we need to tack on tile magnitude minus 1. So this is the beginning of the selection on the x and y, end of the selection on the x and y, and now we can call our bit splitter with the full resolution selection of the full resolution tile and the low resolution selection where we want to paste the downscaled version of this selection. So we're going to use this bit splitter for that purpose. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist here on Ninja Playlist 8. You are on Kanji Playlist 8. Technical demos are here, source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO that uses proximity mines that have directional blasts. So it's a lot like Pocket Bomberman, but dare I say better. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine.